13510 Sherry. We got a lot done. We've got finally get rocking and rolling on this thing and get this knocked out. So we have 2 crews coming in next week. We got a guy who's going to be finishing up that garage, get that done. There's a few things we got to do out there. We had to finish a few houses, but we'll go downstairs here and start what we've been doing. So we're cleaning these up one area at a time. You can see all this got dry locked. We're getting this HVAC clean and checked. But you can see right here we got all this done, getting all this in. We're going to take that down eventually. We just I don't know why they haven't, but we will take that down. And you can see all this has been painted. We're just getting everything cleaned up and going here. You can see how nice it looks. It's really looking a lot better. It's just that every room we have to clean a little bit, and then we start to work on it. So you can see how dirty it is, but I'll show you what like they got all this tore out. There's a sheetrock. We're gonna put some new sheetrock in here. And they got this done in here in the living room. We had to do some drywall work here. We got that taken care of. But you can see how nice that color is starting to make it look. And then in here, they're just painting one room at a time. And they're cleaning, because you know, it's a little bit more work in this one, because it's got to look good. Of course, we're going to replace that fan, but all that. We get all the plugs and switches and lights in here. And they've got this one, as you can see, they've had to clean all this, patch it, let it dry. And then we get to work on it. So this will be painted, and they'll be replacing that drywall too. So here's the bathroom. We haven't done anything in there yet, but we have started up here also. See here, this is all painted. So he's gonna have to replace that and that. As you can see, it's getting put together. We're getting it done. It's just a little more work because we have to clean and go as we go, but we got more, we're gonna have some more guys in here. We're gonna double it up a little bit on that. So we will get all of that done. I gotta get that down. But all that being said, we're moving along. This one should be done in the next week or 2. So I know it looks like it's got a little bit to do, but there's really not. We're just getting it. The prep parts is the hardest part, and then it goes from there. So anyway, I want to get you an update video. This one's a little bit more work, but we're going to get it. It's going to look really good when we're done with it, especially with these wood floors. And if you're looking to get your property purchased, rehabbed, leased, managed, and sold, call me. I'm Brett. I'm with Fathom Realty, 216-703-5740. You can WhatsApp me. Please like and subscribe. This is all we do. We take care of people's properties. Thanks. Have a great day.